Alright, so once again, I lost a yearly bet with Kent over there at Daddy Dutch Barbecue. My Huskers fell to the Iowa Hawkeyes again this year because we made a lot of mistakes, but whatever. It is what it is. We lost. I got to cook Spam again this year. So don't forget to go over there and check out Kent at Daddy Dutch Barbecue. He's actually a good dude, even though he is a Hawkeye. I'll give him an iCard up there. Anyway, we're going to do a Spam hash. So we got half of a small onion. I got some green bell, some yellow bell, some red bell, half of a serrano pepper, 2 decent sized cloves of garlic, obviously our Spam, sriracha, a couple eggs, some fingerling potatoes, butter, salt, pepper. Let's get this cook going on next. Alright, our ingredients are set. We're going to fire up Chop-O-Matic. You know, people who've watched my channel for a while, you know, they kind of like Chop-O-Matic. He hasn't been around for a bit, but we're going to fire him up for this old school disc because I lost that bet. And we're going to chop all this stuff up. I am going to add some stickers in now and then of channels that I've got stickers from. That is Craig from Behind the Garage Barbecue. Go check him out. Great channel, great cook, great content. Go give him a look and you'll see some stickers here, you'll see some there, and I'll try to point them out and they will all get iCards. Anyway, Chop-O-Matic next. Before we fire up Chop-O-Matic, I wanted to show you these fingerlings, and they are pretty cool. I don't know, this one right here is just a regular, like a white potato. You cut him open and he just looks like a Yukon Gold, which is fine. These are a rose or a rosé right here. You cut these open and look at that. It's got a nice hue of red in it, or pink, really nice. And this one, purple, blue potato right here. Cut him open. This is what he looks like. Look at him. Yeah. They all taste like potatoes. They all do the same thing. We're not going to include those in the Chop-O-Matic, but I just wanted you to see the cool colors of them. Alright, let's get Chop-O-Matic fired up next. Then we got to cut up our Spam. Here's our Spam, and you just take it and you just want to dice it. I'm just going to show you one slice. We'll take one slice off. Let's do this in 3s, so we'll go like that. 2 cuts, moving around. Take your knife, go through it, however big a chunks you want, like so. And we got our Spam chunks, our delicious, delicious Spam. Good. Alright, let's get to work on this hash next. Alright, time to get this party started. So we got our pan over medium-high heat. Let's add just a little squirt of oil, not a lot, just to get it going, and a tablespoon of butter. Get that rocking and rolling in our pan like so. To make our hash, because we lost a bet, because the Huskers lost to the Hawkeyes again. Ain't gonna happen much longer. Next year I won't be cooking Spam. I guarantee you that. Well, I hope I'm not cooking Spam. Anyway, our potatoes, our medley of fingerling potatoes, they're gonna go in there. The whole shebang. Like so. That was a 1 pound thing that I got from A Street Market. Wonderful little fingerling potatoes. And we'll add just a little bit of fresh cracked pepper to those. We let them go for a bit. Alright, we're 5 minutes in. Let's see if we got any color on these bad boys. And we do. Look at that. Woohoo! Good color on some of those. Here, let me see if I can pull one out. Look at that. Look at that color on that. Most excellent. That's what we want. So we're probably halfway done with the cooking on those. Let's add our delicious onion and garlic to the mix. There we go. Get that in there. Get her all in there. Get her going. Get that going in there. Get that sweating down. Get that melding around with our delicious fingerlings that we got from A Street Market. Good stuff. Alright. Let's add our Spam. There's Spam in there. Our whole thing of Spam will go in there. like so. Get that going in there. Get that melded together with everything else. And we'll add our peppers. Peppers in there. And we will add some pepper. We're definitely not adding salt because we got Spam in here. So we don't need the salt with the Spam. Alright, let's let her go and see what happens. Alright, another 5 minutes in. Been stirring intermittently. Everything's looking good. Let's give her a toss. That's a good color. Potatoes are getting nice and tender. Got a good bite to them. The peppers aren't all the way cooked through. I mean, look at that. Oh my gosh. Let me get you a piece of Spam here that's some nice color on it. Look at that. I mean, come on. This is delicious. We're going to give it a minute, maybe 2. And then we're going to add some eggs onto it. Then we're going to plate it. It's going to be delicious. Alright, we are totally ready to throw our eggs in here. Looking delicious. Got another channel I want to throw at you. Rob over there at Barbecue Pit Dog. If you haven't been over there, haven't seen his channel, great content. The dog always eats. Go give Rob a check out. Great channel. I love Rob. Anyway, let's put some eggs in here. So it's a hollow out. Yeah, hollow out one over here. Hollow out one over here. So a little nest to put your eggs in is what you want to do. Or you can do. Or do what you want. So anyway, one egg goes in there. Put the other egg over there. And we will give it, because we don't want to add no salt, we are going to give them a little pop of pepper there. Gonna let those go over nice low heat. Get that egg white cooked. And we're gonna plate. Alright, let's plate this bad boy. Got our Spam hash because the Huskers lost to the Iowa Hawkeyes. So here you go, Kent, over there at Daddy Dutch. Here is our Spam hash. Looking good. Let's get it on our plate. Like so. Get there so we can see our delicious egg yolks. Looking good. Oh, heck yeah. Let's give it a little bit of parsley. As we can. It is looking good and divine. And it is taste test time. Get some yolk over there. Let's get some Spam. Some of those good old taters we got from A Street Market. Now that's a bite. Oh, Nelly. It's good. Give it a go. I'm here to tell you, if you don't add salt to it, that Spam in there is spectacular. I mean spectacular. I got it. A delicious Spam hash. Thanks to the Iowa Hawkeyes beat my Nebraska Cornhuskers. Hopefully next year we'll see Ken over there at Daddy Dutch making some Spam. Alright. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. And we'll see you next week.